Hi everyone, meteorologist Robert Spetta here with you on today. Well, it is currently the 23rd of February 2014. I do want to start off by actually saying if you were joining in here for the Google Hangout slash, the live stream obviously still happening. I'm here talking to you, and if you're watching on the record back, really, we're recording this live, but it does look like the Google Hangout really didn't take off this week, and a lot of people are very busy. But we're going to keep you posted and updated on the developments, because over the next several weeks we're really trying to get into the grips of organizing some stuff together, as far as including other websites, including Oz Cyclone Chasers, earthuncut.tv, several sites from the Philippines, also earth.nullschool.net here out of Japan also plans on joining in on some of these conversations as well. So a lot of stuff happening here, and we're definitely really looking forward to it. As far as today, what I'm going to be doing here is just taking you around what is going on out here into the Western Pacific and Eastern Asia. So it's kind of your Sunday update, a quick look at the tropics. Also, I'm planning on talking about what's going on off here towards the north. And we go back to the satellite picture and just start off what is going on right now. Well, you are seeing high pressure really dominating much of the north out here, and that's some good news. Really even warming temperatures. Take a look at this. This is from JMA's forecast, and I'll put it over here on your screen. For Tokyo, Japan, temperature is warming up gradually all the way out through Wednesday, up to 14 degrees there for the high. That is from JMA. Here's our forecast here from westpacweather.com. Just showing you that gradual warming trend all the way out towards Wednesday as well. So that's what's happening off here towards the north, and at least if we take a look at the current surface analysis from JMA as well, you see that high pressure is dominating. It's not until about midweek we're going to see a new low develop out of central portions of China. That's going to bring some, light rain showers out there for you. And if we go ahead and scroll through the forecast, you can see something developing right there. It brings some showers, maybe even some snowfall. But as far as any significant snow for Japan, highly unlikely. Look how far north the 540 line is, Vice down here, and one of these southern coast lows. So it definitely will be transporting a lot more warm air with it. As far as the tropics are concerned, I know we have been watching Invest 93W out here. I know that has been the main topic of conversation down there towards the southeast of Guam. Still give it a moderate risk of development into a tropical depression. Anything more than that, it seems very unlikely at this time. If we do see a tropical storm, which one particular model is still going for a tropical storm, and it's no longer the GFS. GFS has backed off on this one and really does not expect it to develop. And actually, let's take a look at some of the models. I'll walk you through them. This is first the GFS, and we can go ahead and watch it come here. It kind of spins there south of Guam, and that's about the extent of it. And another look at it. Here's the GFS for the extended long range. And it's really packing winds up to 30 knots. I mean, the northeast monsoon packs a bigger punch than that if this model was to continue to fall through. So that's why actually we say if this model was going to continue to follow through quite often. But as you can see here, it actually in the very, very long range, it kind of lingers there and starts to drift farther west. That's something to keep an eye on, especially if it doesn't linger and doesn't go move towards the northeast. This is the first model run we have actually seen this specific output, but that's all the way out to the 9th of March. My goodness, talk about long range. Compare this up with the ECMWF model. It's also lingers there just south of Guam for an extended period of time. Doesn't really get pushed towards the northeast. Main reason is because of that high pressure continuing the ridge in towards the north. So there's our extended track. I pull it off towards the north eventually. I really don't put a time frame on this through the second, but I mean, it very well could just kind of linger here even longer than that and eventually even move towards west because of that high pressure ridge in place. Now I say eventually, and I see a lot of maybes because this goes out over a week, and really in the next 5 days I do expect this to continue to drift northwest, possibly become a tropical depression, looking at rain showers in and around the Guam area, and that's really the extent we're going to be seeing out of this system. And there's 192 hours out. This is the 3rd of March on your screen now. And that's really what I was talking about there. It kind of lingering and eventually moving northeast. But could drift back towards the west here. It's just once you get beyond, shoot, 100, and once you get beyond 180 hours, we're talking about a guessing game, and things are going to be changing around quite a bit. ECMWF even pulling it and lingering it off there towards Guam. You can see it on the right side of your screen, and then it slowly drifts it north and eventually away with a passing upper level trough. So right now, as far as the near term, in the coming week, south of Guam, we could see this continue to linger if it doesn't fizzle out before then. Beyond that, it still could drift west if that high pressure continues to remain in place. I think right now it's just that the fact is we have this convection here, and we have that high off towards the north, and this, I believe, wants to develop. It's just it doesn't have the low level circulation available and the energy available for it to develop any further than what we have been seeing, which is just a disorganized area of cloud cover. If it does, and if we get a lot more confidence in it, we will definitely inform you. But right now, my goodness, poof, nothing out there. So, yeah. That's all for right now, everybody. Thanks again for watching. I do apologize for not having the whole Google Hangout available for you if you are watching this live right now. I do see that there are a few of you watching this live. We're going to reschedule that and change that date up there to next weekend. Maybe before then, if something does develop before then. But for now, stay safe out there, and thank you for watching. Bye.